In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit responses on Google Forms. This functionality can be extremely useful whether you're collecting feedback, conducting surveys, or organizing event registrations, and realize that either you or your respondents need to make changes to the submitted responses after the fact. First things first, let's navigate to the Google Forms page. To do this, you'll need to sign into your Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Sites. You'll find the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your email address. Type it in, click Next, then enter your password on the following page. Once you've filled in your details, click Sign In to access your Google account. Now that you're signed in, it's time to locate the Google form you wish to edit responses for. If you've got a lot of forms, don't worry. Google Forms organizes them neatly, so you should find your desired form with just a little scrolling or by using the search bar. Upon finding your form, click on it to open the editing interface. Look for the settings icon, which is typically symbolized by a cogwheel. This button is usually located towards the top right side of the screen. Clicking on it will take you to a new page where you can adjust various settings related to your form. The next step is crucial. You'll want to navigate to the Responses tab within the Settings menu. This tab will show you options related to how responses to your form are handled and displayed. One of the options listed under this tab is Allow Response Editing. This setting, when enabled, allows individuals who have submitted responses to go back and adjust their answers even after submitting the form. To enable this feature, simply click on the toggle or checkbox next to Allow Response Editing. Once clicked, the setting should be active, and you'll likely see some sort of confirmation or the toggle will change in appearance to indicate that it's been activated. And there you have it. With the Allow Response Editing option enabled, respondents can now go back and edit their responses after submission. This feature can come in handy for both you and your respondents, ensuring that the information collected is as accurate and up to date as possible. Keep in mind though, that allowing responses to be edited also means that your data might change over time. It's a good idea to check back on your form responses periodically, especially if you're using the data collected for important decision-making processes. That's all for today's tutorial on enabling response editing in Google Forms. I hope you found this guide helpful. Whether you're a teacher, event planner, researcher, or just someone looking to gather information efficiently, Google Forms can be a powerful tool in your arsenal. Thanks for watching, and happy form building.